Hello, Soul Family. Welcome to Tupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions from 20th of September till 26th of September. 20th of September, we have full moon in Pisces. Okay, so yeah, if at all you are feeling low, if at all you are feeling emotional, sentiments are at high, maybe you are feeling that I have worked so much, mental fatigue, basically everything regarding your emotions. Okay, so you better understand. Okay, it's full moon energy. It can start from 18th, okay, till go up till 22nd, 23rd. Okay, I generally take a week's energy for any full moon or new moon, but yeah, at least 2-3 days you will feel low. So if at all you feel like crying, okay, please do that. Okay, because I personally feel crying is the best healing. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And as you know the format. Okay, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person. I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your mutual relationship energy, and 3 cards for your personal energy. Okay, anything and everything apart from love. And yeah, keep one question in mind. Okay, I'll be answering that question at the end of the reading. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I'm sorry for the background noise if at all you hear something. These kittens are making noises, so that is okay. Uh, yes. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for the noise. Okay. Shh. Sleep for some time. Shh. Just a second. Go up to sleep. Okay. So yeah, I'm so sorry. So let's begin with you. Okay. Uh, so you wanted to have a new beginning. Okay. A clear cut communication. Okay. I mean, let's have a talk. Okay, that was the energy, or rather that is the energy. Okay, let's have a talk. Let's discuss out things. Okay, let's sort out things. Okay, communication is the key. Okay? uh, and anything and everything can be sorted out when we talk. Okay, if we don't talk, I mean, we are not God, right? We need to talk, we need to discuss, we need to express. Okay, and that is what you wanted. Okay, at the same time, okay, at the same time, you were not sure. Okay, or rather, you are not sure about how things will go. Okay, how your person will perceive that. Okay, how they will react to the situation, or rather, in fact, I must say, forget about them. Okay, though it's your energy towards them, but still I'm telling you, it is you. Okay, who is in that indecisive mode, whether I should talk, whether I should not talk, whether I should express, whether I should not express. Okay, it is your energy. Okay, towards them, what should I do? If you say, if you believe, if you talk, if you express, trust me, things will get sorted out. But are you doing that? No. Okay, at the same time, what you are doing, you are resting. You are resting. I have done my part, okay? Or maybe I'm not sure how the other person, how your person will react, or maybe I am myself not sure whether I should take it up or not. Okay, let's begin from there. Okay, so what I'll do, either I'll wait for divine interventions, okay, or I won't do anything. Okay, I will just close my eyes, okay, and I will just sit back, okay, and things will get sorted out on their own, or the other person will take the efforts. It's not a negative thing, I must tell you. It's not a negative thing, or I will not say you should not do that. Sometimes pulling back can also work, okay. Every time participation is not necessary in any relationship, okay. Sometimes you need to pull back to make other person understand your value, okay. Your absence, your pulling back, or you're sitting quietly, okay, will make them understand, or maybe they start missing you, and they will understand your importance. They'll start understanding that they need to take the action, okay. So let's talk about them also, but yeah. And while doing this, okay, you are not doing this I mean, yeah, obviously purposefully you are doing, but at the same time you are taking care of your finances, you are taking care of your family, you are taking care of yourself as well, okay. So it's a good energy. I won't say, I understand a little bit juggling is going on, okay, in between your heart and mind, okay, thoughts and emotions, but that is okay. We are all human beings, okay. We all do mistakes, we all think, okay. Sometimes we overthink, okay. Sometimes we feel that we should not do certain things, we should just pull back, and I feel that is perfectly all right. Taking care of yourself is, I personally believe that that should be your priority, okay. And here you are taking care of the finances, you are more of concentrating on your career, on making money. Maybe maybe you are trying to support them or to support family. So personally you are in good energy. You just need to settle down in your thoughts and emotions, but that will eventually happen, okay. So I'll just show you the cards. Ace of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. Personally, I love this card. Okay, concentrating on your work. That is it. So yeah. So now let's see what's happening in their life. What are they thinking about you? Okay. Trust me. Whatever they are thinking about you. Okay. I mean, whosoever they are. Okay. They are thinking all good things about you. Okay. Maybe it so happened that you have pulled back yourself, and that is the reason they have started missing you, realized your value, okay. So what they want, okay, what they want from this relationship, what are they looking at, okay, at you, at the relationship, okay. So yeah, uh, they want a fresh start, okay. Whatever happened, okay. Let bygones be bygones, and let's move on, okay. So that is their energy, okay. A total fresh new beginning, okay. But this beginning is not so that I mean, they are not hurrying up things, okay. They are not rushing up, they're not, I mean, it is not that without thinking they are taking steps. No, they are not doing that, okay. They are planning, okay. They are planning, and then they are executing, okay. And what they want from you, okay, or how they are looking at you at this very moment. So they want a basic foundation to be strong along with you. They want your participation. Since you have pulled back, okay, they have understood. So now they want your participation in the relationship, in the decision making. The word I hear is decision making. So whatever decisions they are taking, or wish to take, rather, I must say, okay, wish to take, They want your participation, they want your equal participation into that. Okay, plus along with this, they know, they have totally understood your value. Trust me. Okay, if at all you were into no contact situation, okay, if at all you are talking, okay, but not consistently, it is just an on and off kind of relationship, or everything is going okay, but they are not ready to commit. Okay, so if that has been the case, trust me, now they have understood you are the one. Okay, say it's like you have represented yourself as in a person. Okay, uh, though this is divine feminine energy, okay, but this also applies to, okay, this also applies to the male also. Okay, so it's not gender specific. Okay, energies are never gender specific. So yeah, I was telling you, so they have now you have represented yourself in such a manner that they have understood that you are the one, okay, who is capable of taking decisions, okay, supporting them. Okay, come what may. Okay, you will be there, you will not abandon them. Okay, whatever efforts you have put in the relationship, you were the strong backbone of the relationship. Maybe they have not seen you, maybe they have not recognized you, or maybe they have not maybe they have not what you say, I am missing out on words. uh, Honored, no. uh, okay, forget it. Okay, so now they have understood your they have understood what you are. Okay, they have understood what you are bringing to the table. Okay, so that is it. And I feel the way they look at you, beautiful. I love this energy. Okay, so they see you as an empress. Okay, they see you as an empress, even if it is towards a male. Okay, no doubt about it. A male who is capable of taking all the responsibilities. Okay, take it how it resonates, no gender specific, please. Okay, so yeah, I'll just show you the cards. The Fool, Three of Pentacles, and the Empress. Beautiful energy. See, I'll just show you. This is what you feel, this is what you have done. Okay, and this is what they feel towards you. I mean, they look at you like this. So this is what it is. Okay, let's see what's happening for your relationship. Okay, where are you? Oh, okay, where are you going? Okay, if you have decided to do something, okay, you in the sense both of you, for the relationship, for the mutual energy I'm talking. Okay, then take the initiative. Okay, do something about it. Okay, if they also feel good about you, if you also feel good about them, okay, then I think it's time to go and talk to each other, express yourself. Okay, don't just talk each other on social media. Okay, don't do that. Okay, I know you are doing that. Okay, so things are changing, things will change. Okay, but when things will change, things will not change automatically. Okay, you have to do something, you have to take efforts. I again say you in the sense both of you. Okay, take it how it resonates. Okay, maybe sometimes they have to take the initiative, maybe sometimes you have to take the initiative. uh, it's okay in the relationship. Okay, maybe you are moving towards them, maybe they are moving towards you. Okay, if at all you are in different cities, different countries, or maybe in particular city but different places. So yeah, the moment is there. Okay, and the basic thing is, okay, the basic thing is, you need to, you both, okay, I again say, you both need to maintain the balance in the relationship. Okay, I'm telling you, see, you should maintain the balance, the white and black. The balance should be maintained. Until and unless this balance is there, this will not move. This will not move any direction. Okay, so to move the relationship in any direction, okay, you need to maintain the balance, and you need to take the efforts, you need to put in the efforts, you need to express yourself. Okay, and then you need to take the chance. Okay, then and then only universe will respond to you. uh, you both are in good energies. Okay, no doubt about it. But sometimes thinking, only thinking will not help. Okay, action is much required. I'll just show you the cards. Okay, that is Page of Swords, the World, and the Chariot. Okay, things will turn. Okay, things will turn, things will change, provided you maintain the balance. Okay, so that is it. uh, so yeah, now let's see, let's pull out 3 cards for your personal energy. Okay, apart from love, if at all you are thinking about anything, family, career, business, money. Huh. Okay, okay, acha, so you have decided no more negativity around me. Okay, be it person specific, be it situation specific, I will not tolerate any nonsense around me. Okay, I will not tolerate anything negative around me. I'll just cut off each and everything, whatever bothers me. Okay, whatever irritates me, whatever frustrates me, whatever I don't like, whatever is not vibing with me, I will not participate into that energy. It will not be around me. That is kind of, now it has become a thumb rule for you. Okay, uh, sometimes it so happen that we tend to get tired of doing things. Okay, of responding to the situations wherein we don't feel good. Okay, so yeah, that is right now you are doing. And I love it, I love it. Okay, so, and what you are doing, you are being firm on your ground. Okay, taking stand for yourself. Okay, in all the situations you are taking stand for yourself. So I'm liking it, and trust me, I'm liking it. And trust me, you don't need anyone's support for that. Okay, no one's support is needed. I myself is enough. Okay, to handle the situation, to get through this. And um, and most importantly, I know I can win. I will i will i have to. Okay, so it's like blooming the flower. Okay, uh, so you are like blooming. I mean, you are just uh, you are kind of shedding all the negativity. Okay, uh, whatever was bothering you, you are shedding off, and you are just taking the firm stand. Okay, and just moving towards direction, towards your goal, towards your aim, and you will win. Okay, you will win, and you don't need anyone's support for that. Trust me, it's a good energy. I love today's reading. So yeah, I'll just show you the cards. Just a second. It was in this manner only. Just a second. So yeah, this is strength. The strength. 6 of Wands. Okay, See how you are going, how you are marching. Beautiful. And this is Queen of Swords. No nonsense. uh, yeah, so time for the answer. Okay, I hope, I know you must have kept this question in mind. If at all not, if at all you have not considered any question, any situation, so I'll request you to pause the video. Okay, and let's start. Let's see what angels are guiding us. I love readings. My readings, I love angels. Okay, they are so specific. Compromise, little bit compromise here and there, and you will get through. Okay, so whatever your situation is, whatever you are doing, whatever you are asking for the divine guidance, okay, the universe is asking you to compromise in this situation. Okay, we all do compromises, that is not a bad thing. It is not bad sometimes to compromise for ourselves, for our near and dear ones. Okay, that is what personally I feel. Take how it resonates. Okay, but yeah, that is what is divine guidance. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side. Okay, happy full moon. Okay, and yeah, I'll try to publish what you should do, what you should not do on my Insta and FB page. And if you like the video, if at all it is resonating with you, okay, I'll say subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Okay, please like it, please share it. Okay, and thank you so much for joining me. May my highest level bless you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.